I promised David I would take a picture or a video of the Deagle house. So this is our inside. And, you'll see the goats are not here at the moment, which is a super thing.
They're not well.
No, wrong side, need to close that. The little chickens are up in here. They're outside just now. And the goats, I'm just going to go in here. This is next intricate system. Oh! I'm going to go in. The water's over in this corner, the hay's over this side. And they come in and out this door with gusto. Right, guys, come on. Nick, she is stuck. Well, I don't think she is actually stuck, to be honest. Oh. What are you doing in there? You silly Billy. Oh, you're not a Billy, you're a girly. Come on, Billy. Billy is up here. So I